This is the first class in the Shinkansen trains, the bullet trains. Basically, they have a footrest. They give blankets, and you can recline all the way like Jeffrey does. So that's the difference in the first class versus, I guess, the regular class. Okay, so this is the first class in the Shinkansen trains. I see blankets. I'm not sure. I don't think that they give any foods or anything, but that's more or less what they do in the first class trains. Now, the doors have sensors. You can also get little toys and keychains. Very cute little keychains. And then drinks here. And this is the regular trains. I mean the regular category or the economy category. Again, you see a lot of leg space, and you can get trays. Now, this is probably the best seat, the 11 and 12, because you can put your feet up because you have the seats that face you. It's the only area in the train where you can put your feet up. This is the hands wash area. They have lavatories, of course. Now, the doors are touch doors. Sorry about the shaking. We're on the train. Just by touching or not even. There you go. We're in cart number 12. Walking fast. The bullet train's a very, very smooth ride. We're going towards cart number 13, which is ours. Okay, let me see if I just stand in front of it. Yes, it opens. And this is cart number 13, and there's Jeffrey right there. This is Autistic Globetrotting on Shinkansen train, which is the bullet train from Kyoto to Tokyo.